Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on the topic marketing mix. In my opinion, marketing is very interesting subject as compared to other. I don't know how you feel, but please share your opinion in comment box. First, be safe and stay at home. So let's start. What is market? What do you mean by market? Market is a place where buyers and sellers meet each other for exchanging goods and services, isn't it? The next is marketing. Marketing is a philosophy based on consumer orientation and satisfaction. It is also a social process. Marketing involves all the business activities involved in getting goods and services from the hands of producer to the hands of final consumers. So this is marketing, and it is a legal process by which ownership is transferred. That means in the process of marketing, the ownership of goods transfer from the seller to the purchaser or from producer to the end user. So next is marketing mix. In 1940s, E.J. McCarthy brought forward the concept of describing marketing mix with 4 P's, that is product, place, promotion, price. The modern market concept emphasizes the importance of consumers' preference. Manufacturers take various policies to get success in the market, and the marketing mix is the one of important policy. The 4 P's are product, price, place, promotion. So let's see in details. First is product. Marketing is typically seen as the task of creating, promoting, and delivering goods and services to the consumer and business. In fact, marketing involves 10 types of entities or products. That means goods, service, events, person, place, property, organization, information, and ideas. The product itself is the first element. It must satisfy consumers' needs. The management must first decide the product to be produced by knowing the needs of the consumer. The product mix combines the physical product service, brand, and package. The marketing authority has to decide the quality, type of goods or services which are offered for sale. The next is place. It is important to have the right product available at right place accessible to the customer. For example, a new high-end music system introduced and available only in US market will not make sense to a customer in India, isn't it? So, place does not only mean the location where the product exists, but it has a vast meaning, consists of storing, distribution channel, and final available location. The introduction of online marketing and e-commerce made the significance of physical location less important compared to olden times. So, I hope you all understand, please. The next is promotion. Promotion is the communication between manufacturer and consumer or industry and market. In any business, it is a must to take the features of product to the consumers and create a demand for the product. Promotion includes other core activities like advertising, selling, public relation, and sales promotion. Here, companies try to create a corporate identity and a brand image through advertising efforts. This helps to increase sales, increase profitability, etc. etc. Some widely used techniques of promotions are word of mouth, press release, events, conducting events, conference, seminars, window displays, posters, etc. etc. Then next is price. Price is the amount paid by the customer for enjoying the product, or it is the cost that customer is willing to bear for the product and the way it is made available to him. Price represent on a unit basis what the company receives for the product which is being marketed All other elements of the marketing mix represent the cost. Marketers need to be very careful about pricing objectives, methods to arrive at a price, and the factors which influence setting of a price. It is internally set by looking at the raw materials cost, production cost, selling cost, and externally by looking at the market share, competitors, and the brand image. That means how customer perceives the product. Three methods of pricing strategy are penetration pricing, skimming pricing, and neutral pricing. So students, I hope you have no doubts. If you have any doubts, please comment me in comment box or you can send email. So let's conclude our section. So students, we first discuss about market. Market is just a place where buyers and sellers meet each other. We know it is just a place because we always purchase goods from market. So then we discuss about marketing. Marketing is that process through which a business, enterprise, institution or organization interacts with the customers and stakeholders with the objective to earn profit, satisfying customer and manage relationship. Then we discuss about marketing mix. Marketing mix is introduced by E.J. McCarthy in 1940s. It involves 4 P's: product, place, price, promotion. So thank you. If you need any notes, please comment me or you can send emails so that we can discuss in next class. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.